Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove your Google account from other device. So first of all, open Gmail. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for more update. So let's get started. Look at the right corner, tap onto profile icon, click onto Google account, swipe left to right side, click onto security, scroll down, select manage all device, now shown here to your all login devices. And then finally click on to sign out, confirm to sign out, then successfully remove your Google account from other devices. So that's how we can do it. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debate channel for more video.